In this video, let's review the file types that the Alex.io software can import into the phone editor. Start by clicking the Quotes and Layouts tile in your admin area. Now, click Start a new quote. Let's fill in all of the customer information, the quantity, and pick 1.7 pound black polyethylene as the material. Locate and click the Upload File button in the Layout Controls tile. Let's start by importing a simple PDF file that has 2 round cavities. The pop-up window will give you some quick information about the file you're importing. Click OK on both import pop-ups to proceed. You can see Alex.io imported the outer foam size, cavity size, and locations from the PDF file. The imported file is now editable in the canvas area. Next, let's import a DXF file. When importing more than one file, you have a choice to add the new file as a new layer in the editor or replace the current foam layer. Let's replace the current layer by clicking the Cancel button. The DXF file has now replaced the layer that we had. You can see the foam dimensions and cavities have changed to match the imported DXF file. Let's import a STL file next. Once again, we will click the Cancel button to replace the current foam layer. Our foam size and cavities have again changed to match the imported STL file. Next, let's import the DXF file and add it as a new layer to review the outcome. We will now click the OK button in the pop-up window. You can see the foam size of the newly added layer has adjusted to the size of the original layer. The cavities spread out to try and fill the foam layer correctly. For this reason, the best practice with adding foam layers is to ensure all of the imported layers are created to the same length and width. Let's remove that demonstration layer. We are now back to our correctly sized layer 1. Let's click the Apply to Quote button to double-check that our layer is correctly recognized after the imports and layer removal. Everything looks correct. We can now go back to the editor by clicking the Open Layout Editor button. It is important to note that all imported geometry is based off of 2D information. You will need to set the cavities to the correct depths and set the layer thicknesses. Also, any rounded or cropped corners of the imported geometry will need to be added in the editor. That concludes this video on importing PDF, DXF, and STL files into the editor. We hope you found this video informative, and we look forward to creating more videos to help you navigate the Alex I/O coding software.